De Terra.
Ang dami fans club ah.
Kilala ko to si Raji eh. Siya kanya yung unang ID na nakuha ko.
Gift pack from Century Tuna and Vita Coco.
Salamat po! Ayan, syempre pag may female, may male. Age is 20 to 24. Syempre from Go for Gold. Third place with a time of 58 minutes and 7 seconds. John Reynante Javier.
John Reynante.
Second place with a time of 56 minutes and 53 seconds. Edgy Arances. Edgy Arances. Edgy Arances.
Alright guys, katatapos ng duathlon events dito guys ng Bermusa, Cavite.
And for the champion of our
Kung saan ay kasali ang ating presidente na si Sir Daniel Espediamio. Ayun, punta na tayo guys. Susundan na natin.
Mark Ryan Lago.
At nagtatawag na
Ryan.
ang ating mga jurado
Ay, ganda ng t-shirt.
para sa awarding.
Yeah. White and gold. Baka naman.
Sundan natin guys si Sir Daniel Espediamio.
And now, female 25 to 29.
Congrats, boys.
Congratulations! With a time of 1 hour 22 minutes and 23 seconds from Pinay Tribe, Larissa Antoinette Baloy.
Wow. Our Pinay Tribe. By Coach Vanessa Agdon.
Larissa Antoinette
Wala ba siya?
Baloy.
Ayun namin.
Wala? Wait lang daw, wait lang. O sige, habang iniintay natin siya, tatawagin ko na ang second place with a time of 1 hour 17 minutes and 12 seconds from Pinay Tribe, Bea Nadine
Aba naman.
Oscano.
Yes. Ma'am, second place. Okay, congratulations. Start of the domination.
Ito na. And the champion from the female 25 to 29 with a time of 1 hour 16 minutes and 54 seconds, M. Sige.
And sige. Right.
M. Sige.
Yung third place ba nandito na?
Yung third place, ito tumatakbo na. Larissa Antoinette Baloy. M. Sige. Alright, first place. Yan. You get a gift back from Century Tuna and Vita Coco. How about Larissa Antoinette Baloy? Are you here?
Si Ma'am Maris Antoinette Baloy nandito ba? Or
Sundan namin.
Ma'am Maris Antoinette Baloy? Kung wala, we will pagbalik
So,
natin natin siya
hinintay na namin yung awarding ni
Alright, so
Sir
let's
Daniel.
proceed. Let's proceed to male 25 to 29. Third place with a time of 1 hour 4 minutes and 31 seconds from Team Trio. Julius Natividad. Male 25 to 29. Second place with a time of 1 hour 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Carlos Anthony Kayanan from Bike Minton. Carlos Anthony Kayanan.
Ano? Tayo, andito ko ba?
Are you here? Wala. The champion for male 25 to 29. 1 hour and 30. Philippine Navy Standard Insurance, Archie Cardana.
Ang dami fans club ah! Isa pa, mag-ingay tayo! Yeah! Paringa na ito. Alright.
Good. So next is once again to all our humans, you may now check out your bike. Lagunsad.
Aba naman, Ma'am Kat. Very happy to see you here, Ma'am Kat. Congratulations. Okay, third place, last call. Patawag ulit.
Athena Luis Erandio, are you here?
Alright.
Wala.
Alright, okay.
Let's proceed to the male 30 to 34. Thank you. Third place goes to Jeffrey Sarillo with a time of 1 hour, 1 minute, and 36 seconds. Jeffrey Sarillo.
Paparazzi. Please like and subscribe. Parang natin!
Grabe!
Sige na dyan! Diretso.
Another from Southside Girls. Difference of only 4 seconds.
Wow!
Ira Alvaro. 1 hour, 20 minutes, and
Talaga
2
naman. Sinusundan ng vlog ah.
And the
Please like and
champion
subscribe.
with 1 hour, 17 minutes, and 47
Diba?
seconds.
Kumarera ka na, may ulam ka pa pag-uwi. Thank you, Century Tuna.
Danica Rio Aguito.
Ayun, from behind. Ayan, di ba, Century
May
Tuna?
ulam na raw sila. Salamat
Baka
sa
naman.
Tuna.
Fastest time natin, trivia, 55 minutes yata o 54.
Isa pa daw.
So, itatrack natin yan, yung record sa OG distance.
Ayan. Okay. Female 40 to 44. Hazel Bacolod for third place. 1 hour, 29 minutes, and 13 seconds. Hazel Bacolod. Are you here, Hazel Bacolod? Second place with a time of 1 hour, 26 minutes, and 52 seconds, Rexy Marie Abad. Rexy
Marie Abad?
Marie Abad. Andito ba, Rexy? Your Hazel Bacolod. Okay. How about Rexy Marie Abad? Akin po tayo na. Female 40 to 44 with 1 hour, 24 minutes, and 9 seconds from Kingo. Tony Camille Fabis. Your Rexy Marie. Ito, ready na siya umalis. Oo nga. Parang bigla, ay narinig ko pangalan ko, I have to stay. Okay. Congratulations, ladies. Alright, male 40 to 44. Siyempre! 1 hour, 5 minutes, 54 seconds, Jeremy Go! From
Ayan ang mga sinasabi. Tama nga yun, nakita ko. Tama nga pa.
Bumilis! Second place from Team Rising Sun. Okay? 1 hour, 5 minutes, 35 seconds. Ramonito Redomar Jr. And the champion is 1 hour, 3 minutes, and 31 seconds. Julius Lipa. Taas. Ang ating sunod na award, female 45 to 49. Third place, Joanne Quemada. 1 hour, 24 minutes, and 42 seconds. Champion from Team Makrit. Makrit. Tama ba? Mikret. Mikret. Okay, Mikret. Okay, 1 hour, 23 minutes, 39 seconds. Mary Chris Agustin.
Mikret. Tama na.
60 and above, we only have one winner. First place goes to Evelyn Ponce. 2 hours, 2 minutes, and 5 seconds.
Ma'am Evelyn Ponce, you are the winner! Yeah. Okay lang yan. Doesn't matter. You still showed up, man. Very well deserved. Very well deserved. Thank you, thank you.
And the champion, for our male 60 and above. Third place with a time of 1 hour, 18 minutes, and 40 seconds. Romeo Ramos Jr.
Yes! Congratulations.
East PH for second place, Mike Caragay. 1 hour, 14 minutes, and 40
Eto, walang ubas. 2013 finisher shirt. Yan yung 2013 natin. Pinakaunang OG sa Nuvali, pare. Ano, boy ba? Boy ba? Sa akin, boy pa rin, kaso di kasha.
Champion
Problema.
for 60 and above, 1 hour, 13 minutes, and 43 seconds. Crisanto Cabrera.
Hanep, brother. Mga walang bukas.
So, Sir Carlos, we're just gonna award the male 25 to 29. Nandito siya ngayon.
Okay.
Dumating siya.
Alright, oh good,
For
good, good.
Mike Minton, where's Carlos Anthony Kayanan?
From crime.
Ayan na siya. Second
Second, pare.
place. Second place.
From Mike Minton. Dito ba?
Congratulations.